Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today, I'm going to be showing one of our high-resolution, widescreen, capacitive touchscreen HMIs, the cMT3162Xv2. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it'll look like when you first open the box. You'll see the installation guide and the warranty. Put those aside for now. Then inside is the cMT3162Xv2. Also, there are some brackets and screws for mounting. Okay, so let's remove the HMI from the box. So we'll take it out of the foam, then remove it from the anti-static plastic. So here is the cMT3162Xv2. It is a 15.6-inch 1920 by 1080 high-resolution capacitive touchscreen. So it's one of our larger HMIs here, and you have the option of either panel or VESA mounting for this HMI. Okay, let's take a look at the back of the HMI, and first you'll notice that there are 4 screw holes here. These are 4 VESA 100mm by 100mm screw holes. And then we'll come down here. Here is the 24-volt DC power connector, and you have a detachable power connector that comes with this HMI. Next, there's Con A and Con B. These are 2 DE9 serial COM ports. So these can be used for various serial protocols. Next to that is a USB 2.0 host port. This is used for uploading or downloading your project. As well, it can be used for extended memory. It can be used for backing up your files. Next to that, there are 2 RJ45 Ethernet LAN ports, which are used for uploading, downloading, and going online with your HMI. They're also used for various Ethernet protocols. Then this HMI also has a built-in mono speaker as well. Okay, now I'm going to power on the HMI. So I have a power supply going into the HMI. I also have an Ethernet cable going into LAN 2. Later on, I'm going to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. That's why I have an Ethernet cable going into LAN 2 to establish online connection. So now I'm going to turn on my power supply. First thing you'll see is the cMT series logo, and then it will load the demo project onto the HMI. Okay, now we're looking at the demo project, and in the bottom right corner is the actual HMI and a camera feed. And the larger screen is VNC viewer. I enabled VNC on the HMI in the system settings. So first let's go over some of the features in the demo project, and then I'll go into the system settings. So using my mouse, I'm gonna use VNC viewer here, switches and lamps. Here you can turn on and turn off some bits. You can toggle as well, toggle on and off. And you can use your multi-state switch to jog up and down. See your word lamp changing state. Let's go back home. Let's go to the trend display. Here is a simulated trend display. Let's go home. Let's check out the alarm page, and here are some simulated alarms as well. So you can check out the demo project. There are a lot more features here. So now let's go into the system settings. We'll click the top button here. And you can see some of the system settings here, general language input methods, but to see all of your settings, you'll need to enter an admin password. So to do that, go up to this lock logo here, and it's going to be 6 ones. So the number pad, to do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You click enter. And now you can see all of your system settings. So information, you can see your HMI information here. You can see your Ethernet IP address. We're using Ethernet LAN 2 here. Code Assist, you'll need a separate license for. Here's a general tab. You can adjust the brightness on your HMI. You can see in the bottom right, adjust the brightness. You can turn your sound on and off, show mouse cursor. So IP network is where you would edit your IP address, time and date, HMI name, clear history, project management, system password. You can change it from the 6 ones to something of your choosing. Enhanced security, VNC is where you can enable VNC viewer. Easy access 2.0, you'll need a separate license for as well. Language, input method, printer, OS upgrade, and reset. You can reset your HMI to default settings. So that's all the system settings in your HMI. So now what I want to do, I'm going to go into EBPro and I'm going to download a project to the HMI. So let's go into EBPro. Now I'm in EBPro and I'm going to download a project to the HMI, but first I want to show you some of the drivers that are in EBPro, some of the serial and Ethernet protocol drivers. So to see those, you go to Home, System Parameters, and then New Device/Server. And then you'll see device type here. You can click this arrow and you can see the hundreds of Ethernet and serial protocols in this list here. You can also just click this and then it drops down and you can see all those protocols here. And you would select that as one of your protocols. Now let's download this project to the HMI. So go up to Project, go to Download. Make sure you have the correct IP address here, check off runtime, and then click Download. Now it's going to take some time for this to connect to the HMI and download the project. It'll say Stop Project, and you'll see that on the HMI itself. It's going to download the CXOB file. You see the cMT series logo, extracting. It's going to reboot the HMI. It's going to reset the project. It'll say finished in EBPro, and then you'll see the demo project load onto the HMI. Well, that's all for today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on the HMI cMT line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to watch our EBPro video training series located under the Support tab in the Video Center on the Maple Systems website. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.